Good morning, it is Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market opens up here actually right now, so let's see what happens. I will keep you updated. All right, watching ETE here. Initial entry point at $4.85. This one's getting quite overextended here, as you can see. So let's see if it can break down through 5. There's the break there. Went down as low as 588. And looks like I just missed that one by, well, I guess 3 cents. Debating if I want to leave that order in or if I want to cancel it out. I'm going to just move it down some more now at this point. So I'll put it at 465 as a fishing order and just keep on searching. Okay, I have an order in at 1250 here on WMB, just the initial entry point. As you can see here on the chart, quite overextended. So we'll see if it can get down there or not. So I have another fishing order out right there. Well, there we go. Let's see. Well, it hit 1250, but I did not get any shares. All right, I changed my order to 1225. So I'm now in there just as my initial entry point. And all out there for quick 50 bucks. Put an order in at 12. Again, quite overextended. So let's see what happens here. Just my initial entry point, so I have no problem grabbing more if I need to. In fact, I'd like to build a bigger position. Fantastic. Looking like it'll allow me to. Try for some more down there at 1150. Nope, not going to let me do it. So just got that 10 cents again. Shoot, I wanted that to pull back some more. Maybe it'll give me another chance. Let's see if it can get back below $12. There we go. Actually, 1125 worked good for me last time. I'm going to try that one again. So let's see if it can get down to 1125. Quite a bit of volume coming in here. I'm actually going to alert this to the chat room real quick. There we go. So that alerts into the chat room now. Just said that is it looking like it's trying to put it into a bottom here. So I may have cost myself. Let's see. Well, yeah. Well, I guess I changed it to 1125 and now I'm looking here. It says low of 1130. So on this move here, I was 5 cents off, getting in, another point right there. So I guess I can't complain though. 10 minutes in, up 100 bucks. So I don't want to complain about that. But here we go. If it can break down through Just trying to watch the level 2s here, watch the chart. I will keep you updated now since we're kind of just... This one can move fast though, so yeah, it seems to be trying to bottom out here. So I'll pause it. I'll keep you updated. All right, have an order in at 10.75. So I'm hoping for a break of the 11 and then a quick flushing downwards price movement, but I don't know if that's going to happen or not. There's some size coming in here now. All right, I'll pause it again. All right, I'm going to have to take a loss here, which wipes away my gains for the day. Shorted down here and wanted to get a better stop loss in at 11. Well, I guess it's not terrible now that I look at when I got out. Wanted my stop loss at 11.12, and all this happened off camera because I was looking for a momentum break to the downside. It did not happen. It started to bounce up on me. And now it may happen right here. And it's hovering. So, well, regardless though, took the loss, so my gains are gone on the day. The good news is it's still only 950. In fact, I may want, well, I may give this one another try. So it looks like I was right. I just got nicked out right there on the order. So that's just the way it goes sometimes. Like I said, the good news is it's only Monday morning. It's only 9:50, so plenty of time to fight back from that. So let's see what happens. Let's see if I can capture one more trade. We'll just excuse me, update you here. I was right, kind of. It did continue downwards, just didn't get the good enough entry point where I had, wanted to stop out. And then it continued on. The train took off without me. So, yeah, somewhat embarrassing, but whatever. It is what it is. It happens. Happens to everybody. So, I'm looking at my scanners right now, but just giving you an update. So, hindsight says, well, I should have just let the price come up, get a little bit better entry point, and then, I could have had more wiggle room on my stop loss, and then I'd be up, over 50 cents right now. But that's of course hindsight. So did work out, and I want to show that, just like I said, because it's embarrassing, but whatever, it happens. I mean, so if it happens to you, just move on from it. It's not like you're the only person that it happens to. So let's see what else I can find. All right, have an order in to short at 11.49, stop loss at 11.61. Looking like I'm out there at 11.65. So I like the setup, but it just didn't quite work out. And now down $80 on the day. And I think I'm gonna just wrap it up for now. Need to kind of just chill out a little bit. And we'll see what happens with it. Just maybe I'll torture myself here, but right now it's looking like it was a pretty decent decision on my part to do that, to just stop out there. So I mean, it was either going to come up there and get rejected and bounce back down, or it's just going to continue to bounce like it's been. But this one actually also just came off a trading halt too. So, I'm not going to try to get fancy or anything with it. But right now it's, I think I'm feeling pretty good with my decision to just get stopped out right there. You can see it's forming a nice candle on the bigger volume here. So I'm feeling pretty good about it. But like I said, I'm going to wrap things up. So down $80 on the morning. And I don't say that, I don't like losing money, but, and I don't say this in a cocky way or anything, but nothing that I can't recover from, nothing where I have to, trade like a superhero in order to dig myself out of a hole or anything like that. So more than manageable, but hey, you know what? Losing mornings happen. It's now 10:05, so down to $80 on the day, and figured, hey, why not post it? Just I'm A lot of people seem to not want to post their losers, always want to come across like they only do is win. So yeah, I'm going to post it, and you'll see what a kind of a losing morning looks like. We're actually started up 100 and now down 80, but like I said, nothing I can't recover from. Before I go, just one quick thing. If you're interested in kind of learning where am I finding these stocks to trade, that's the most popular question I get. Then I put together a free guide on that. May seem kind of goofy since I lost. Like, why would I care about how you find your stocks you lost? Well, in my defense, I have a playlist of lots of other videos, so at least go and watch some of those, and you'll see that I do win once in a while. But in this case, I didn't. But if you are interested and think that could add some value to you as a trader, then go ahead and click right there, and I will send you the free guide. It's very short, very to the point, and I put it together with time efficiency in mind. So that's going to wrap it up. Actually, let's see real quick how WMB is now doing. Oh, very nice. So I'm feeling very good about the stop loss now. It'd be that negative 80 would be a lot bigger than what it is now had I just tried to get fancy with it or anything like that. So had it come up here, struggled, and then headed back down. My upside is basically it is unlimited. Assuming of course it could go all the way down to 0, then it would be done. But I capped my upside, and I wanted to get out, I think 61, so I was risking about $60. Turned out to be 80, but whatever. I'll risk $80 all day long. Had the potential to make a lot more than that. So it is what it is. If you found this video helpful, click the like button, share it, and like I said, hopefully people appreciate the fact that, hey, it's a losing trade, so it's not going to be the most it's a losing morning, so it's not going to be the most entertaining thing, but whatever. It is what it is. This is the reality of trading. That's the whole point of these videos, just to give you a realistic view at how things go. So yes, I have posted videos of me making $1,200 in 3 minutes. I think last week or a couple weeks ago made $500 some in 3 minutes. But hey, here's one where I've lost $80, and it's and it is what it is. No trader is perfect. You're not always going to have winning mornings, despite how some maybe YouTube people or just people out there want to just post videos in a strategic way to make it seem like all they do is win and seem like all they do is make good calls. But you know what? Everybody loses, and this is an example of that. So again, please click that like button if you found this helpful, and I will see you back for the next live trading video whenever that is.